Hi everyone, this is Susie. So today we're going to be making tacos de lengua, which is tongue tacos. And these are the ingredients we'll be using. So this is for the tomatillo salsa. I have some tomatillos. You can use serranos or jalapenos, and some garlic, salt, pepper, some green jackfruit in brine, and some onion, cilantro, and lemon juice. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna cook the tomatillos and serranos in some water for a few minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay, so what I like to do is I put all the liquid into a little measuring cup because we're gonna be using this for cooking. And then I just take my pieces and I just cut them up in smaller pieces. This is just up to you. So just, little chunks. Okay, so I'm going to do that with all of the jackfruit. So I just wanted to show you that this is the ripe jackfruit and this is sweet. And this is the green jackfruit. And I get this at Trader Joe's. And this one is not sweet, okay? So I just wanted you to know in case you didn't know the difference. Okay, so now we're going to cook the jackfruit on a medium-low heat, and I have about one large garlic clove, but you can use as much as you want, and also some of the white onion. This is as much as you want, okay? And a little bit of salt, and some pepper. And you can add some oil if you like, but it's optional. If not, just as long as you use the liquid, or if you don't want to use this, you can just use regular water, or maybe even some vegetable broth would be fine. Okay, and then we're just going to mix this in. Okay, so I'm going to add probably about, I'm going to say half of the liquid, and I'm going to cover this up, and we're going to let that cook for a little bit, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, so I cooked the tomatillos for about 20 minutes, and now they're ready. Okay, so I have 2 tomatillos, and I have 5 chiles, but you obviously don't have to put that much. And I have a piece of garlic. You're just going to add a little bit of salt. You can add pepper if you like, but you don't have to. And I'm just going to blend this up, okay? Okay, so I'm just going to transfer this into a little bowl. And if you want to make this a little bit more runny, the sauce, then you can just add some of the liquid that you use to cook the tomatillos in if you want it a little bit more runny. But this is good enough for me, okay? Okay, so the liquid dried completely and it's still not cooked, so I'm just going to add the rest of it. So this is just going to depend on how soft you like the jackfruit. If you like it a little firm, then I think half of the liquid is fine, and it's about maybe 15 minutes that it took. So with this it's going to take just a little bit longer, and I'll be back. Okay, it's been 20 minutes total, and this is what it looks like. So all the liquid dried completely, and now it's done. Okay, so I just have a tortilla here with a little bit of the jackfruit, and we're just going to put a little bit of the salsa. This is like fire. It's so spicy. I went overboard with the chiles. And you can use lime or lemon juice if you like. And a little bit of salt. Okay, so now we're going to give this a try. This is so good. So good. Like, honestly, to me, it tastes like lengua. They're so good. I don't know if you ever had it before. If you haven't, I think you're still gonna like them because they're good. But yeah, they came out really good, and they're really simple to make, as you can see. And you can make this ahead of time. You can just store it in the fridge, you know, make it the day before, and you should be fine. So I think that is it for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.